Asante sana Mheshimiwa Rais kwa kuweza kupeana heshima zako za mwisho. Ni dhahiri shahiri kwamba unatupenda kama familia ya kijeshi. Umetutia nguvu, umetupa nguvu siku hii ya leo tunapozidi kuomboleza maisha ya jenerali. Basi kwaya, tuendelee kupata huo wimbo hadi wageni wetu mashuhuri watakapochukua nafasi zao kwenye jukwaa. Kwaya tafadhali, asante kwaya. Asante kwaya. Nitampisha mwenzangu Meja Justin Pamba aweze kuendelea, na niombe kwa heshima tuweze kusimama kwa ajili ya kipindi hiki.
Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, the next sequence of events is as follows. We are going to usher in the missing wingman formation, which is an aerial salute that is performed as a flypast of an aircraft at a funeral or a memorable event, typically in memory of either a fallen pilot, a well-known military service member or veteran, or a well-known politician. The planes fly in formation with a space where one should be and symbolizes the absence of the person.
Basi Mheshimiwa Rais, unavyotazama ndege hizi 4 zimeweza kupita hivi sasa kwenye anga, ndege moja ikaweza kupotea. Hii ni heshima ambayo hupeanwa na kuashiria kwamba ndege ile ni yule rubani ambaye aliweza kuaga akiwa kazini, jinsi mnavyoshuhudia kwamba Generali Francis Ogolla aliweza kuwa tactical fighter pilot.
Your Excellency, the jet fighters have flown out in a wing and with the second aircraft to the left, peeling off to symbolize the great loss of a great fighter pilot and a general. The formation, as you have seen, has approached from the south, and near sundown, one aircraft has suddenly split off to the west, flying into the sunset. In all cases, the aircraft performing the pull, split, or missing from the formation is honoring the person or persons who have died and represents their departure. And now, Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, we may remain upstanding for the 1-minute silence in honor of the late General, followed by the gun salute and the flypast that has just gone by. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, the 1-minute silence starts now. Thank you, Your Excellency. And now, the gun salute.